Guess what? It's mail time. Broken Ankle Wishlist Edition, Part 2. Also, if you hear any sounds in the background, I apologize. There's not very much I can do about it. My window is open, my ankle is broken, and my neighbor's favorite pastime is making noises. It's great. And I do want to preface this by saying I only have one box that I'm opening today. Normally, I like to open my wishlist stuff on camera because I do want to thank you guys while I'm opening it so you can kind of see my reaction and stuff like that. But my mental health has not been super great since breaking my ankle for obvious reasons. That's why I haven't been posting videos as much recently. A couple of days after I made that wish list and y'all bought the whole thing out, I did get pretty much everything in the mail. That was a point when my mental health was not doing so well. So I had this stack of packages and my mental health wasn't good enough to do an unboxing video for them. So the options that I had were I could wait until my mental health was better, but that would mean that I wouldn't have all of those things that are intended to help with my ankle, or I could just open everything off camera and actually use the things that I kind of needed to use. So I did already open a lot of them. I read each and every one of the notes that y'all sent me, and a lot of the stuff that was sent to me I have been using literally every day. The elevation pillow for my ankle has been a lifesaver. You can only stack and fold so many pillows. The lap desk is honestly the best lap desk I have ever used in my life. I love it so much. I am literally leaning on the bed pillow as we speak. I've been using it the entire time. Same with the compression socks because that really helps with the swelling in my ankle. I did have one small issue. Somebody did send me the I Do My Own Stunts t-shirt, and I love that shirt. I think it's hilarious. However, Amazon did a big goof. They sent it to me in a youth large, which does not fit me, in blue, which was not the color or the size that I selected. And I know that I selected them that way. Whoever purchased it, it was already going to be filled out and ready to go. So I know this was not on the person who sent it to me. But the other issue is Amazon didn't include the gift note. So I don't have any way of exchanging it. I have no idea who sent it. They really goofed. So if you were the one that sent me that t-shirt, it's entirely up to you what you want to do. And while yes, I would like to be able to wear the shirt, I am really crafty. I can figure out things to do with that design on the fabric that it's on that just, it's not going to be a t-shirt, but it'll be something else. But if you're the person that sent that to me and you do want to get it exchanged, again, entirely up to you. I am good either way. I'm just saying this so that you can reach out to Amazon and let them know what happened, because otherwise you would have no way of knowing that this happened. But since this isn't my money we're talking about, it's yours, I want to make sure that you have the option. You can do whatever you want to with that situation. I'm fine no matter what. Regardless, thank you so much. I love that shirt. All right. Gift note. Get well soon from Jennifer in Texas. I was wrong. This is not from my broken ankle wish list. It's from my regular wish list. So there's going to be a part 3. There's still one more package that should be on its way. So when I was a kid, I really loved the I Spy books. Walter Wick, the photographer who took all the pictures for the I Spy books, has been a huge inspiration to me. I have been a photographer practically my entire life, and for a while I wanted to have my own studio. I even got to the point where I have worked multiple professional photography jobs and gigs alike. And Walter Wick's photography in the I Spy books is the first photography that I can remember actually acknowledging and saying, wow, that is really great photography. So he was one of the people that got me into photography in the first place. And this is one of his books that is essentially an I Spy book as well. It's just under a different name. And what better thing for me to do while I am stuck at home with a broken ankle? So even though I thought it was from a completely different wish list, thank you so much to Jennifer in Texas. And thank you again to everybody who sent me anything off of that wish list. Everything you've sent has genuinely been making a positive impact in my life, and I so truly appreciate it.